Hello friends, and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm gonna be extending the waist of these Zara pants with this beautiful tape that I got from my Moods fabric visit last time. If you haven't watched that video, please do so now. I'm gonna start by taking apart the pants from the side all the way from the waistband down the side. I'm also gonna open the hem up. I need to extend the waistband by an inch as well on both sides. Unfortunately, the waistband on these pants is just one stretch of fabric, so I have to cut through it. So here I am cutting through it on both sides, and the tape that I'm going to add to the side of the trousers is going to extend through the waistband. Next, I'm going to measure the length of the tape that I'm going to apply to the side, but unfortunately this was an impulse buy, so I just bought like 2 yards and it did not match the length required for this project, so I'm extending it with this pink ribbon that I already had. Luckily the width of the ribbons is the same, so it's not going to be a problem at all. I think the contrast of the red and the pink is going to look very nice. To support the ribbons on the back, I'm gonna add this red fabric. So I'm roughly measuring the same width as the tape, and I'm gonna cut out 2 strips the full length of the side of the pants. So this is going to give some support and some structure to the ribbon and the tape that I'm going to add to the side band. The red fabric that I'm using for this project is a leftover jacquard fabric. It's thin cotton material, and it's not too heavy, which is kind of important because I don't want bulkiness to it. I think this light fabric is good because it's going to provide some structure, but at the same time it's not bulky because the side band itself is constructed with different thickness ribbons, so I think this is a good base. So I'm just going to line up the red fabric with one of the side seams, and I'm going to stitch it down right from the waistband and all the way down to the hem. Once that is done, I'm going to line up the other side and repeat the same process. So now I have this red side stripe going down. Since I opened up the waistband a little bit to accommodate for the side band, I'm going to finish off on the same stitches. By the way, I'm not adding anything new here. I'm just folding it down on the same lines and just reattaching the waistband. I'm going to sew on the belt loop again exactly the same way it was done the first time, so that there is no sign of any alteration. I think that's a good hallmark of alterations in general, that it doesn't look like anything has been altered. Now I'm going to press the seams flat to make everything look nice and neat. So you can see the red side band looks pretty neat right now. Now we're ready to add the actual side band. For this, I'm going to cut my tape into 2 pieces and also the pink ribbon in 2 pieces. I'm going to line these up and pin them before I stitch them into one long piece. Now I have the side band ready. Repeat the same process on the other one, and we are ready to paste these on top of the red side band. I'm going to give everything a good press one more time, and I'm going to line everything up nicely, matching up the seams to make sure that the tape does not move when I attach it. I'm going to carefully line up everything and sew very slowly. The result is very neat. I'm going to add a center seam down the middle just to give my pants some structure. Trying it on, I think the pants fit very well. The waist fits perfectly. The wide leg looks nice. The center seam looks sharp. I have a floral iron-on embroidery patch left over from a previous project. I'm gonna add it right here to conceal the join, and it looks seamless. Here's the final look. I think it looks great, it feels great, fits great. Center seam looks sharp, and it was an easy project to do. So if you like this project, please hit like and subscribe to my channel. In the words of this CapCut sticker, brief is life, love is long. If you like this video, I have a feeling you're gonna like this one next. Please do check it out. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.